Got the Falcon back. Today was the first day. Ripped it up to the shop. People are calling me again. Hold on. Daily driver now for the next couple days. I gotta jack the front end up and get underneath this thing and figure out what I need to order in terms of the front suspension. I'm gonna pull the trigger and spend a little bit of cash because we do not have a lot of money in this car at all. I think I bought this entire car as a complete roller minus motor and trans for 600 bucks. So $600 car. Now running, driving, and brought it to the track last year, so that's awesome, in my opinion. Far from done. A million things are kind of just jankily slapped together, like the wiring down here, and the gauges that are held in by the cigarette lighter. A million things to finish. The lack of mirrors, but this was a good swap meet find. I can see behind me now, so that's cool. Lots to do. Made it to work and back today, no problems whatsoever. Took this out at 6 in the morning, a little early. It is a little loud. I don't have a full exhaust or anything set up yet, but it's an automatic, so it's much easier to drive as a daily. This overdrive trans that I have in here is great, except the overdrive shot. So I have no 389 gears with no overdrive is a little on the high side. Fun to drive until you're going 70, which I hit on my way to work. So lots and lots and lots of things to do. We just bought the Posi track lock for the Ford 9-inch that's in the back. That's gonna get a set of 411 gears, and then we get to pull the trans out. But main reason to daily drive this for right now is I need to jack up the front end, take a look underneath, and figure out what parts I actually have in this car. I don't know if the control arms and ball joints have already been replaced. I don't know if I'm gonna do complete control arms. Lots of research and stuff to figure out.